Hi, today we're going to be talking about biomolecules, or more specifically, carbs. So, what are carbohydrates? Well, carbohydrates are macronutrients, which are one of the three ways our bodies obtain energy and calories. We can't make carbs, so we have to digest them by eating food. One of the most popular examples of carbs is bread. Carbs are made up of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. They're quick energy sources. There are two types of carbs, simple and complex. Simple carbs are absorbed and digested faster than complex carbs. They consist of one or two sugars. Single sugars are called monosaccharides, and carbs with two sugars are called disaccharides. Complex carbs are called polysaccharides and have three or more sugars. Carbs create the structural components in some plants and insects. Carbs are sugars and starches. There are two compounds that make up carbs, aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes are double bonded carbon and oxygen atoms plus a hydrogen atom. Ketones are double bonded carbon and oxygen atoms plus two additional carbon atoms. Carbohydrates combine, creating chains called polymers. Polymers are used for long-term food storage molecules, protective membranes for organisms and cells, and structural support for plants. What do carbs do in our body? Well, first, each morsel is broken down. Then, carbs move through metabolic pathways that are specific to carbohydrates. And then, carbs are digested to small enough pieces where they can be absorbed into the small intestine's walls. Then, glucose enters the circulatory system after a small stop at the liver. This causes blood glucose levels to rise. So, you may be wondering, how did we discover carbs? Well, it's actually fairly simple. See, in the 1800s, a man by the name of Justus von Liebig became one of the first to recognize that the body derived energy from oxidations of food recently eaten. Monosaccharide carbs all have the same chemical formula. Polysaccharide carbs are polymers of monosaccharides. We often crave sugary foods with white flour, such as pasta and bread, but those tend to be the cause of weight gain. Complex carbs are full of vitamins and can help with weight loss. And that's all you need to know about carbs. I'll catch y'all next time.